Here's how to enter your occupation in TurboTax step by step. Begin by signing in to your TurboTax account and opening the tax return you want to work on. If you already have a return in progress, make sure that specific return is open before you continue so the information is saved in the correct file. Once the return loads, stay on the main working screen. From there, look to the left-hand menu and click My Info. This section contains your personal details, including the fields tied to your tax profile. After you select My Info, TurboTax will open the area where your personal information can be reviewed and updated. In the Your Info section, find the option labeled Revisit or Review/Edit and click it. The wording can vary slightly depending on the version of TurboTax you are using, but you are looking for the link or button that opens your personal details for editing. This takes you into the part of the return where your basic information is listed in editable form. Once you are in that section, scroll down until you reach the occupation or job title field. Move carefully through the page so you do not skip past it. If the page includes several personal details, keep scrolling until you see the field specifically meant for your work title. Click into the occupation or job title field and type your current occupation or job title. Enter the title that best describes your work, such as teacher, engineer, or designer. Use your current occupation as instructed on the form and make sure the wording matches what you want reflected in your return. This field is usually a short text entry, so you only need to enter the title itself. After entering the occupation, review the information before moving on. Check the spelling and confirm that the job title shown is the one you intended to enter. This is the moment to correct any typing errors or replace a title that does not accurately reflect your current occupation. A quick review here helps prevent having to return to this section later. When everything looks correct, click Continue. This saves the occupation entry and moves you forward in the tax return. Give TurboTax a moment. If the next screen takes a second to load, then continue working through the rest of your return from there. Your occupation is now entered in TurboTax and saved in your tax return.